He's on a Polaris qualified quick
Feeling good. You know, the team worked so hard last night. I felt like I owed them something today. And I was just super happy to be able to complete it with a second place finish in the final. They deserved it, man. They worked till 4 in the morning, switching me back to my last year's sled. And it ended up working out for us, and I don't think anyone could be happier.
What's next in the game plan?
We're gonna go to Christmas break and get everything worked out and make things better. Definitely, just keep working and hopefully be on the top step of the box come Canterbury.
Racing. These guys are fun to watch, and the interesting thing is when they get done, they'll stop and all shake hands.
Stay on the box each and every race from here on out.